student, I am Dr. Kirti. Today we are going to see about the coverings of brain. It's applied, that is about extradural, subdural and subarachnoid hemorrhage. So this is brain covered with the meninges. So what are meninges? Meninges are this outermost tough fibrous layer is dura mater. Beneath this dura, what you see web-like is arachnoid, and to the brain is attached pia mater. Now, can you see these markings over here? These are markings of middle meningeal vessels. So these markings same you will be able to appreciate on the cap also. So these are markings of middle meningeal vessels. So any injury to these vessels will lead to extradural, that is outside this dura, between the skull cap and dura. The hemorrhage is called as extradural hemorrhage, and that is because of injury to this middle meningeal artery. So extradural hemorrhage is because of injury to middle meningeal artery which supplies dura. So this is marking of middle meningeal artery here. After reflecting dura, the next layer is arachnoid. So this layer is arachnoid layer, and here you will be able to see this is web-like structure, arachnoid space. Now between this arachnoid space and dura, this space is subdural space. In the subdural space you will be able to see these are cerebral veins, and these cerebral veins, they are opening into this superior sagittal sinus. See these veins, they are opening into superior sagittal sinus. So subdural hemorrhage will be because of these veins. So injury to vein will lead to subdural hemorrhage. Now how to differentiate between extradural and subdural hemorrhage? Extradural hemorrhage is because of injury to this middle meningeal artery. So extradural hemorrhage is because of arterial blood, and subdural hemorrhage is because of these cerebral veins which are opening into superior sagittal sinus in a subdural space. Now other difference is this dura is having upper endosteal layer and inner meningeal layer. So this inner layer is meningeal layer. Now this endosteal layer is continuous through these sutures to the periosteum of the skull bone. So any hemorrhage due to bleeding of middle meningeal artery, which will be forming extradural hemorrhage, will be restricted along the suture lines, but subdural hemorrhage will not be restricted along the suture lines. Now subarachnoid hemorrhage, after or beneath this arachnoid matter we have subarachnoid space, and in subarachnoid space we have arteries. So these are the arteries which are running into subarachnoid space. So subarachnoid hemorrhage is because of rupture of aneurysm in the arteries.